Hi everyone, I'm Chad Shoup, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about how presidential elections may or may not impact the stock market. But first, I just want to make sure that you subscribe to my channel below so that way you don't miss out on any of my insights that I send each and every week. And if you enjoyed the content that I send you, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Now, I said that we're going to talk about presidential elections and how they may or may not impact the stock market. But before we jump into that, I just wanted to see if you had a take on how presidential elections can have an impact on the stock market, whether or not you think they are a major influence on the trend of the stock market. You can leave me a comment below and I'll be sure to follow up with you. Now, today we're talking about the presidential election, a full year before the actual 2020 election kicks off. And the reason we're doing that is because the campaign rhetoric is picking up and President Trump is on the campaign trail as we speak, and he's made some pretty bold claims along the way. One that we're going to talk about today is a tweet that surfaced that he posted where he mentioned that if he loses to a Democrat in 2020 elections, we're going to see a stock market crash like we've never seen before. Now, this is a pretty bold claim, and you can't really blame Trump for sticking his neck out there and making these bold claims, because when he was running in the 2016 election, there were a lot of media that were saying that if he won, because he was so unorthodox, that he was going to lead the stock market into a major crash. And there was a lot of media outlets saying that, a lot of talking heads saying that as well. So he was going up against all this negative sentiment when he took office. But we didn't see the stock market crash. Instead, it rose. It rose solidly in his first year, and it's up to all-time highs here in the third year. So he's been able to prove people wrong, and now he's making some bold claims. But attacking the Democrats and their performance with the stock market may be the wrong approach to take. And that's because the Democrats actually have a stronger track record than Republicans when there is a Democratic president. But now I also think Trump is onto something when he is touting the stock market and trying to get reelected. I just think taking the fear tactic angle is the wrong approach to take. And instead, he needs to tout the positives of what a second term means for a president in the consistency that that creates for the stock market. And when you look historically speaking, the stock market has outperformed under a president's second term. Now, this is a chart showing that since 1945, the second term of a president has outperformed the first term on average, with a return of 38%, a whole 2 percentage points above the first term of a president. And now even the first year of a second term president outperforms the first year of a newcomer by 3 percentage points. So this is comparing the first year of a president versus their fifth year, which would be their first year of the second term. And we're seeing an average return of 10%. That's 3 percentage points above a typical president's first year in the market. Now, I know scare tactics may be a more promising approach for Trump to take than promising more of the same, but with his new campaign slogan, which is "Keep America Great," then taking the honest approach of touting the benefits of having a second-term president may be the more accurate angle that he could take. But either way, we know that as we head into 2020, these campaign rhetorics are going to be picking up, and we're going to see a lot of the fear-mongering, a lot of these scare tactics really take shape. And even against President Trump, they're going to say that his second term is going to be a disaster. So there's going to create a lot of volatility in the market. And that excites me as a trader, because there's going to be a lot of opportunity for us to make profits. And one that I'm really excited about is trading options in the coming months, in years ahead. During this volatility, trading options is going to give us an incredible returns in this volatility. And I have a service, Quick Hit Profits, that trades just options, and it's going to be able to manipulate the market in these coming months to benefit when there is a lot of volatility taking shape due to this outside noise. So if you want to learn more about how we're going to use Quick Hit Profits to benefit during this volatile time period that's going to be coming up, be sure to click the link below and you'll learn more about this strategy and how you can use it to profit as this campaign rhetoric continues to pick up. Well, that's all for my video today. Thank you for joining me. Be sure to scroll below again and click subscribe. And if you enjoyed my videos, be sure to click the bell so that way you'll get notified whenever I post a new video. Well, until next time, I'm Chad Shoup.